Hi, I'm Valerie from Newcastle, Ontario, and I'm testing the Danze Aztek single handle faucet. And the first thing I noticed that the faucet, when I took it out of the box, had some nice weight to it. It feels like good quality. It works really well. It was so easy to install. I installed the faucet and the pop-up drain in 25 minutes. And it was all super easy, and I loved about the pop-up drain. I didn't have to get down underneath the cabinet and line up the ball with that rod and do the pop-up drain that way. I've never had a lot of good luck with those. They always tend to not hold the water in the basin, and it just slowly drains out. But this one, no problem. It fills up. It stays where it's supposed to. I did it 5 days ago. There's no leaks underneath so far. If I was to maybe recommend an improvement for this product, might be this pop-up drain. First off, the material feels different than this. This is more of a steel material, whereas this seems to be plastic. And also it's completely flat on the top, so I find the water pools on the top of the pop-up drain. So if there was a very slight bevel on it, I think it might help it drain away. It's not an issue right now, but I wonder if down the road there might end up being water scales on here due to the water being sitting on there all the time. So if you're considering a new faucet, I would really highly recommend this one. I absolutely love it.